How to clear cache to fix app glitches quickly in iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device, and once inside the Settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Now, once inside the General, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Now scroll down and look for the app which cache you want to clear and fix the app glitches. So for now, let me just tap on any random app for the example. So if I'm facing the problem in this app, for example, then let me just tap on it. And once you're in there, you'll get to see upload app option available. Tap on the upload app. Your data will not be deleted, just you'll have to upload it and reinstall the app. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.